Hey popping crew, I'm back with another video. This has been like the most recommended video and I finally decided to deliver. So I'll be showing you two methods on how you can apply your lashes, how I apply my lashes. So stay tuned to see how I do that. Love you. Mwah. Enjoy. Hey, what's popping? So I'm gonna show you all how I apply my lashes. I bought these lashes from this other store at Blue Mall. So I'm gonna show you how I apply them. Excuse my eyebrows and everything. Then this is how the lashes look. So first thing, after buying your lashes, you need to remove them from this. Try to up to from this angle so that you don't ruin your lashes. Like, because I can't see. Remove them like this, holding the end, the band. Then you do the same thing on the other lash. Try to deattach the ending first. Yeah, let me do it. This is how the lashes look up close. So what you need to do after deattaching your lashes, you need to check if they fit your eyes. Like this. So it seems like I dropped it. Oh, child. I'm using this one. It comes like this, but today I'm using my old glue. It's still. Then take your glue. You can apply it on your at the back of your hand, so you can control the amount that comes out and everything. Then take this and apply it at the band, like here. Then you do the same thing with your other lash. Then you put it down so it'll dry. It'll become tacky. Oh no, actually I'm gonna do two separate methods. I'm gonna show you two separate methods. I mean two methods on how you can apply your lashes. That's fine. I did a mistake. I forgot that I wanted to do that. Then, while you're waiting for the glue to become tacky, take your mascara, any mascara that you have. Then, what you need to do is to fix your natural lashes. Just curl your natural lashes like that. Then don't forget the bottom of your lashes. Then on the other side we do the same thing. That I'll show you two different methods. I'm gonna start with the easy one. Take your glue and apply it directly to your eyelids, but do this with precaution because you don't want to damage your eyes. Hold the mirror with an angle, then apply it on your skin as close as possible to your natural lashes. Make sure that your eye hand coordination is intact because wow, Otherwise, you're gonna make mistakes. Make sure that your eye-hand coordination is intact, because wow. Otherwise, you're gonna make mistakes. Then take back any excess glue that you don't have, that you won't be using, back to the lid while you are waiting for the glue to be taking. Your eyelash, as now the glue, you see now it's starting to be more clear, which it means it's now taking. Take your lash and hold the brush, a mirror I mean, at this angle so that you can see. Then start by attaching the middle and then go and attach the end. Then lastly, the beginning. So you see this line that the gap that I'm having between my natural lashes and the false lashes. To close that gap, you have to pull down your lashes. Pull them down to combine it. Oh, it seems like this lash is long. I should have cut it. Now it's not gonna come off. Unfortunately the lash was too long. I forgot to cut it, but I can remove it now. But you see now there's no gap anymore. So if you don't feel like confident with this thing of pulling down the lash and everything, you can use your eyeliner, whatever liner that you have, to close the gap. Then we're gonna apply it here. If the false lashes are longer than your natural lashes, just cut them from the end, like the longer side. My hands are shaking, I don't know why. And now that you have closed that gap, take your lash, take the lash, apply the middle part first, attach the middle part first, and then the outer corner, then the inner corner. So you see the liner is creating an illusion. It doesn't show that there's a gap between your natural lashes and your false lashes. But if you want to be more accurate, you can pull them down to close off any gap. So what I like about this glue is that it dries off clear. It doesn't show anything. Don't forget that to ensure that every part is attached. Also, I didn't cut my lashes, so they are not equal now. I mean, they are longer than my natural lashes. But yep, this is it. We are done. We are done. Okay, loves, this is the final look. I applied, as you saw, that I applied my lashes in 2 different methods, so you can either choose method 1 or method 2. Either way, the one that works for you, and I feel like this one is more easier. And well, I love you, popping crew, always. So for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share with your friends to plug your girls out here. Anyway, I'm done. Bye. Love you all.